7 weird reasons you are gaining weight. Life is a crazy thing pulling us in all sorts of directions. We need to be here and there and somehow make it home in time to prepare for dinner and lunches the next day. Amid all the craziness, finding time for yourself and exercise just never seems to top the list. Whether weight crept up on you over time or it rapidly stacked on, we have talked with experts all over the world to help give some insights into those pesky pounds and what might be causing the weight to stay. Curious about your sudden weight gain? Here are 7 weird reasons you are gaining weight. Number 1. You are not eating enough.
This may sound counterintuitive, but your body will only allow for so many lost calories before it starts to worry that you are trying to starve it. Once it goes into starvation mode, it's going to hold on to every calorie it can, putting the brakes on your weight loss. Number 2. Your hormones are imbalanced.
Leptin is the hormone that tells you when you've had enough to eat. And when this hormone is imbalanced, you may tend to eat more and stay hungrier even after you've eaten. Our overconsumption of fructose and processed sugar can overload your liver and cause your body to convert that fructose into fat before you can use that sugar as fuel. The more the fructose turns into fat, the more leptin is released. Too much of any hormone can cause your body to miss its message altogether. So in this case, that means your brain is not going to know when to tell you that you're full. This can ultimately cause weight gain. Number 3. Lack of sleep. If you're clocking in less than 6 hours of sleep at night, this may be another reason for sudden weight gain. A recent study found that nearly 40% of adults say they sleep fewer than 6 hours a night, and 38% of those in the study were classified as obese. One thing people often overlook when it comes to weight gain is sleep. People who sleep 6 hours or fewer on average consume an additional 300 plus calories per day as a result. This is large because sleep deprivation causes an increase in levels of ghrelin, a hunger hormone, and decreases in levels of leptin, a hormone that helps you feel full. Number 4. Stress. When you are stressed, you look for more comfort foods rather than something healthy for you like a green smoothie or a salad. So when people dive in for those sugary foods, that's when we can see weight gain. Having an out-of-whack relationship with food, everything and everyone is energy and always connected through this energy sharing at all times. You are energy and so is your food. Connecting with your food before it enters your body means that you are connecting with its energy and gaining the most out of that exchange. The result being you need less food. Number 5. Mental multitasking. People who are able to focus their thoughts on the present carried about a pound less belly fat on average than those who were not as mindful. Mindful people can view their feelings more objectively. They have greater power to overcome urges, for example, resisting a second drink at happy hour in favor of pushing it in an AM spinning class. Cultivate your focus by meditating, practicing yoga, or engaging in endurance exercise such as going for a long run or bike ride, which encourages you to constantly monitor your pace, the way your body is moving, and how you're feeling. Number 6. A daily diet soda habit. Ironically, people who sip the no-cal stuff to cut calories are more likely to gain belly fat. Diet soda drinkers who averaged about a can and a half a day packed 3.2 inches onto their waistlines throughout 9.5 years, while regular soda drinkers gained less than an inch. A recent study at the University of Texas Health Science Center found one reason that artificial sweeteners prevent the brain from registering satiety, thus increasing cravings for sweets, so you end up eating more. Number 7. Your medicine is causing weight gain. It seems cruel when your medications that are helpful in some areas of your health can cause weight gain. But if you see the pounds creeping up no matter what you do, then your prescription meds may be to blame. Health explains you may know of some medications that are known for causing an increase in weight, but there are quite a few other meds that are used to treat diabetes, high blood pressure, and depression that can also sabotage your weight loss goals. It's by no means impossible to lose weight when you're on these drugs, but it certainly can make it more difficult.